Hi, this is Katie from SweetRoastStudio.com here to show you how to cut out heat transfer vinyl in the Cricut design space. So I've got my image that I designed in Design Space here on my V-neck template ready to go, and what I'm going to do is press go up here, and that's going to start the cutting process. Now it comes up and it shows you how you would cut it typically, and that's great, except we're going to be cutting iron-on vinyl, so it needs to be reversed. So when you iron it on, it'll go on the correct way. So I'm going to go over here where it says mirror image for iron-on, and we're going to check that box. And you see now my design is flipped. That's going to make it perfect for ironing on a shirt. Now I'm going to go down here to the corner and click go, and it is going to send it to my Cricut. Now don't laugh, but I like to craft on the ground, so here is my Cricut, and first thing we have to do is load our mat. Now I've already got my iron-on vinyl loaded. Make sure we get it under the guides. Oh, missed one. Okay, make sure it's set there. Make sure it's on, because that's helpful. Sorry about this. Okay, now we are ready to load it. We're going to hit the arrow button, and that's going to load it in for us. Okay, next thing that we need to do is we're going to have to pick which medium we're using. So if you look, there are a lot of choices on here. Mine is set to iron-on because that's the iron-on vinyl. If you were going to be doing typical vinyl, you'd be doing it here. The iron-on vinyl is a little bit different from regular vinyl, just doing the fact that the normal vinyl is sticky. This is not sticky. It's the transfer, the clear sheet on the other side that I'll show you in a little bit, that's actually the sticky part. So it's a little different. So I've got it loaded, and now you can see that the C is blinking. That means that it is ready to cut. So we're going to push this button, and it is going to do its thing. I always like to keep an eye on mine as it's going, just in case it might jam, which very rarely happens, and if it does, it's my fault because I haven't changed the blade recently. That's what can usually cause some jamming. I also like to make sure that it's all the way on, because there have been instances where I have not loaded it correctly, and that's not super helpful when trying to cut something. Now you can see over here as it's cutting that it is cutting it the mirror image way, which is perfect. That's exactly what we want when we're cutting something to do iron-on transfer. I love how quiet the Cricut is. It's so nice. I have a baby sleeping in the room right above me, and I don't have to worry about waking her up, which is glorious. Okay, now it has stopped cutting, and over here now the arrow is blinking, and that tells me that it's done and I'm ready to unload my mat. So I press it, and we are all done. Everything's all cut, and I will show you another time how to actually complete the transfer. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can find me, Katie, at SweetRoastStudio.com.